in this video, we're going to start exactly where we left off after the install of the Twitter Cache Inviter. This is the landing page creator that you can run on WordPress. So once you come to your menu option, you can see what the software looks like, and you'll click on Create New. And you can name your page anything you want to name it. And this literally will create a new page on your website once we get finished. So you can see you've got 5 tabs right across here, and you might be wondering, what do I put in each tab? So I wanted to show you the finished result of a landing page example that I made so that you can see where each one of the components goes on the pages as you walk through each tab. So if you take a look at this, and I scroll down just a little bit, you can see some more of the smaller elements where you can add more information. What you're going to want to remember is the initial image on your screen when you land on your landing page must have the button right here at the bottom. And the reason that that's important is so that people know what to do. So in this example, if you click on this button, you go to the second half of the page. So this is actually where they're going to take action. So inside, you can see what it says on the landing page. What could this particular supplement do for you? The very top subheadline actually goes above the main headline, which is rare. And then this is just a video that I found. Remember to use few words, and we also recommend that you don't use images besides that video. You're going to want to provide information, but remember to be brief. People don't want paragraphs of information. As you scroll down, it becomes clear where everything is going to show up. You've got the sidebar, you've got the footer. And then on the next tab, you're going to see the colors, the background. Remember to play with it. If one color doesn't work, go to a different one. You can see your call to action button, your sign up button. They give you some icons and an opportunity to show some of what your benefits of your product are. And it just gives you an extra opportunity to put more information on that landing page. Now this final one is very important. Inside your GetResponse account, you're going to go to Forms and Create Form, and this is where you're going to land. You've got to make a plain HTML form. And what you want to remember about this is it will not save it. So right off the bat, make sure that you go and you pick the right. The other thing that you're really going to want to make sure that you do is that you add to the cycle on day 0. If you don't do that, it won't work. And then change this to, and then use your custom thank you page. And this is very important. Your custom thank you page this is very important to make sure that when you get to this blank right here, you actually check the custom thank you page. And this is actually your thank you page that you are going to build in the next step. So your URL is your website, and then whatever you actually name it. You can name it thank you if you want to. But that has to be there in order for your form, your opt-in form, on your landing page to send people to your thank you page where they're going to get your download. Make sure you do this and don't send them directly to your affiliate link. So from this page, you're going to click on Copy Code. You're going to come back over to your autoresponder tab and you're going to copy all of that code right here. And then you've got a couple of statements to make on your page. Then you're going to scroll up and you're going to save right here. How easily you can actually build a landing page and have it connected to your autoresponder, which in this particular case is GetResponse. Make sure you use HTML code for that form. Now once you actually hit save right here, you've got your settings the way you want it, the page looks like you want it. There's something important that I want you to show you. If you come to Pages and you go to Add New, this is how you finish out your landing page, and it's really important that you do this. Over here on the right side, you'll see where it says Select a Landing Page because you have this actually installed. And this acts very much like just creating a new page on your WordPress website. So make sure that you actually name this something that you don't mind if your user sees. So in my case, if I name it FinQ Test, okay, I'm going to put a 2 after the end because I think I already have this. Then what I want to do is I want to actually tie that to what I created. So you have to make sure that over here in this drop down, you tie this to WordPress. You have to tell WordPress that it exists. Make sure that it looks the way you want it to look. Scroll down. And over here on the side, you're going to see that it says Publish. Okay? Over here on the far side, you can see where it says Publish. And it's going to create a new page on your website. And that's the actual page that you will use to refer to your new landing page. You can see in your list of pages that this is actually what it created. And this is how you're going to actually refer to your new landing page, by that name. So hopefully that makes sense. Make sure that you do that final step or you're going to wonder where your landing page actually went. Thanks.